Give us a short introduction to your company.
Welcome to Educator Trade. We are a trading company. We trade fundamentals and technicals in most financial products from FX, commodities, indices, government bonds. And we hope to blend the two together, charting and news, fundamental trading, we think benefits most of our traders.
And now a short introduction to you as an educator.
Yeah, I've been trading financial futures since the early 80s, since the opening of the London International Financial Futures Exchange in 1982. And since then, I've probably helped teach, train hundreds of traders, whether in commodities, derivative futures, and indices, whether proprietary trading, and more recently, day trading.
Okay. Hobbies?
Hobbies, I got into the future, into the city via playing rugby. So as most people know, a lot of the city do play rugby and play sports, so my job was offered via rugby.
How long have you been trading?
I've been trading financial futures since 1982 when I left school.
How did you get into trading?
Basically, from playing rugby. A lot of people in the 80s played rugby and traded in the city of London. And ever since then, from moving to the commodity floor, to the futures floor and abroad, traded most contracts.
What type of trader are you and why?
I think from the early 80s I went to trade for myself before the 1987 crash, and I became a day trader. So day trading is very different to long-term trading in that you're trading mainly for half an hour to an hour. Recently I've traded longer periods of time, but most of my career I've been a day trader, which is trading for short periods of time, mainly scalping and trading off news.
And why?
Why? Because there was always a gap there, and most people accept news out at the same time, so it's a level playing field. And also the reason I went day trading, because I had a career playing rugby as well.
What techniques do you use when trading?
There's a multitude of techniques to trade, whether you want to be a technical chartist or trade of news. In recent years I've tended more to trade of news, but I'm very much aware of the charts, and Educator Trade we try and offer both.
Which markets do you trade most often?
Very good question. It's the right contract for the right news, so there's no obvious answer to that, but whether you have to trade commodities, indices, FX, you trade the right contracts for the right news.
And what is your primary market focus? I.e., is it equities, forex, futures or commodities?
I think currently it's probably at the moment government bonds or indices.
Do you have a specific set of instruments you concentrate on?
Very good question. I currently will look at the derivatives markets and mainly government bonds and indices. They're the two I follow. I don't, ideally, jack of all trades, master of none. I don't really follow FX. I'd rather look at government bonds and indices as an indicator to trade.